This is the C514 motorhome from Chausson 2022 version, and this will cost just over 51,000 euros. And as you may have noticed, it is under 6 meters in length, and that because of this enormous alcove up here, overcab. You've got, it allows you to, it appears though it's got a huge amount of space inside it. This one's coming with a 6-speed gearbox from Ford, smallish table here, forward facing bench. Okay, 6 meters, you can't expect an enormous kitchen, but it does have 3 burners and a little sink. Bed here has been contoured to make the most of where there's more room. So at the side of the shower, up there, wardrobe, and here you have your shower and toilet with a nice blue tinge to it, if you like blue. If you don't, then it'll be a nasty blue tinge. Here we have more storage, and this rear bed can go up and down depending on what it is to be used for. So if you want a higher bed, you can have one. If you want a lower bed, but if you've got a lower bed, you're going to lose space in here in the garage, and you move it up and down via this crank here. But you've got a lot of space in the garage as well. Now coming out, we'll just see the overcab does add to more fuel consumption. Something like that will burn, I would have thought, around 15% more than if it didn't have the overcab bit stuck up at the front. But then again, if you're concerned about how much fuel your vehicle uses, then you shouldn't be buying a motorhome in the first place. Indeed, you can get a bicycle and the fuel that will be using is what you're buying at McDonald's. So that is the C541 in from Chausson 2022 version in under 3 minutes, and if I get a chance I'll do a longer version of it, but that's only if I get the chance. Thanks for watching.